Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream with a whisk. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need very cold, heavy cream, ideally with at least 36% milk fat. Also, have powdered sugar and vanilla extract ready. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes beforehand is a crucial step for success. This helps the cream stay cold and whip up faster. Once your cream, bowl, and whisk are thoroughly chilled, pour the cold, heavy cream into the bowl. Begin whisking with a consistent, vigorous motion. You'll want to incorporate as much air as possible. Keep whisking steadily, moving your wrist and arm to create a circular pattern. After a few minutes, the cream will start to thicken and show soft peaks, meaning they hold their shape for a moment before collapsing. When your cream reaches the soft peak stage, it's time to add the sweetener and flavor. Gently sprinkle in your powdered sugar, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of cream, and then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whisking, but now with a slightly gentler motion, until the sugar is fully incorporated and dissolved. Taste a small amount and adjust the sweetness if needed, adding more sugar a little at a time. To achieve stiff peaks, continue whisking until the cream holds its shape firmly and doesn't droop. Be careful not to over-whisk, as this can quickly turn your beautiful whipped cream into butter. Once it reaches your desired consistency, serve it immediately to enjoy its fresh, airy texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, though it's best enjoyed fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.